Hello friends, welcome again to my channel where we discuss medicine and the science behind it. So what are we going to discuss today? We will be discussing why is it important to control your blood pressure when you have hypertension or what is generally called as high BP. Hypertension or high blood pressure is one of the most common lifestyle disorders globally around the world. People take different steps to control their blood pressure. They take medicines, lifestyle modifications like exercises, food modifications, etc. But rarely do they realize what is the need to control their blood pressure. Today we are going to discuss that in detail. But before we go on to discuss the after effects or the complications of hypertension or high blood pressure, we need to discuss two things. Firstly, atherosclerosis. What exactly is atherosclerosis? To be very simple in understanding what atherosclerosis is, it is narrowing of the blood vessels. This narrowing happens due to plaque deposition, which is due to high cholesterol levels. But hypertension or high blood pressure is one of the causative agents which increases the frequency of atherosclerosis, increases the chances of that reduction in the blood vessel size, or increases the chances of that plaque deposition. This is one of the reasons that hypertension causes atherosclerosis. The second is when you have hypertension or high blood pressure, there is chances of capillary rupture. Capillary rupture means blood vessel rupture. Small blood vessels have a particular capacity to take that blood pressure. When pressure increases beyond that pressure, to take that or control that, the blood vessels rupture out. This is called as capillary rupture. Now, hypertension per se or high blood pressure per se affects four organs or four parts. First is brain, second is heart, third is kidney, and fourth is peripheral vessels or peripheral extremities, what we call as. So how does it affect the brain? In brain, if you have atherosclerosis because of hypertension, this will be increased. There will be increased chances of having atherosclerosis, which may lead to ischemia or reduced blood supply to brain, which leads to stroke, which is we call as an ischemic stroke or reduced blood supply stroke to the brain. The second that can happen within the brain is a hemorrhagic stroke. Hemorrhagic stroke is wherein the capillaries rupture. So if you have a high blood pressure, very high blood pressure, the capillaries within your brain can rupture out and blood oozes out inside the brain and again leads to stroke. So this is how the hypertension is affecting brain. Second comes heart. What happens in heart is there are atherosclerotic changes in the blood vessels supplying blood to heart. So the lumen size or the size of the blood vessels supplying blood to the heart, the size of these vessels is reduced. As a result, the heart receives lesser blood, lesser oxygen than it requires. The second change that is happening in hypertension is what we call as hypertrophy. The heart muscles are increasing in volume, increasing in size. This happens in hypertension. So given both together, the heart needs more blood because the size has increased, but it is getting less blood because of atherosclerosis. So in effect, what happens is a heart failure on a long run. So heart failure means you have heart attack or congestive heart failure. Obviously, these are very layman terminology for heart attack and heart failure. So, but exactly this is what happens in heart if you have hypertension. The third organ affected is kidneys. In kidneys, again, these two changes, the atherosclerotic changes reduces the perfusion or reduces the blood supply to the kidney. Inside the kidney, the blood supply is reduced. And second, the capillary damage that happens in high blood pressure causes a lot of problems in kidneys, which again leads to the complication of a kidney failure or what we call as a renal failure. So this is the third organ that was affected. The fourth thing that happens is peripheral extremities, like what happens in the blood vessels supplying blood in the hands and the lower extremities like ankle and foot. What happens is the size of the lumen decreases. What happens is atherosclerotic changes in the peripheral blood vessels which are supplying blood to foot and to hand. This on a long run reduces supply and causes some problems which are related to pain in the legs, pain in the hands, and also is linked to higher chances of a heart failure. So friends, I hope you now understand how important it is to control your blood pressure, because all these changes in the brain, heart and kidneys and the lower extremities is not a one-day change. It is over a period of time when you have high blood pressure. So in effect, you need to control your blood pressure within normal limits. The way you control is, the first important step is exercise, lifestyle modifications in terms of diet you take, and then obviously the medications prescribed by your doctor. But your ultimate target is to keep the blood pressure under control. I hope the information was useful and will be used by you to know why you need to control your blood pressure when you have hypertension or high blood pressure. And you will understand that whatever your doctor is telling you is important. So if you liked my video, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to watch my next video. Thank you.